Magaba on the beat.
Alongside loved Zulu and English lyrics. Soprano should float above the instrumental, creating a spiritual goosebump and just in atmosphere, blending naturally with the deep Afro house groove. Support the arrangement with organic Afro print torsion, rolling log drums, warm sub bass, atmospheric silk puzzle strings, subtle choirs and cinematic gestures. Out gradually form an intimate emotional into an uplifting festival ready climax without losing the emotional character. Keep the piano and soprano as the two defining elements throughout the song. Wrong souls, earnest lyric, some parts, lush strings, set to quiz, and cinematic pressure. Zulu and English lyric. Solo and English lyrics.